Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display section and then select comfort view. So here you can switch that feature. You can also change some of its settings. You can select blue light filter, you can set it to be low, medium, high, or just black and white. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.